Hi, I'm Simon Mole and I am a poet. Today we're going to be playing a game called Further and Further into the Picture. You can play in small groups or pairs, or if you're on your own like I am, that's fine too. The first person starts by saying what they are, which can be anything they want. I am a cat. The next person has to then say what they are, which must be something connected to the thing before. I am the tail on that cat. The next person might say, I am a patch of ginger fur on the tail of that cat. And you can get smaller and smaller, further and further into the picture like that for a while. But if you want to have a bit more fun and play for longer, then you need to take a side step at some point. I am the nose that breathed in the hair off the tail of that cat. I am the sneeze that nose shot out. I am the plate the woman dropped when the sneeze made her jump. I'm the sound the plate made as it smashed. And so on, and so on. Don't worry if you think your idea is a bit obvious or boring or silly. Just say it anyway to keep the game flowing. And you never know what your suggestion might inspire the next person to say. Which is a good time to remind ourselves of a poetry secret, which is that very often a good idea is hiding behind a bad idea. And what I mean by that is that so many times I sit down to write and I fill up the whole page, and only at the very bottom do I end up writing a line or sentence or idea that I actually use, that I actually like. And if every time my brain had said, I don't know about that, I'm not sure, don't put that bit down. If I'd stopped every time a bit of my brain had said that, then there's no chance I'd have got to the good stuff that I did actually use, which was right at the bottom. So, have a bit of fun playing the game, and then the next time you're doing some writing, when you're starting off something new, try and approach it in the same way, just getting down as many ideas as you can. Let one thing follow on from another. Maybe you could write so freely that you even surprise yourself. Thanks for watching.